Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, week 17, lesson 115, VMST feature of 7-space content. Ganita Sutras, Sutra 1, rule 1 more than before. With first letter of 6 space will take to 7 space. Now Rishi glimpses the origin of a 6 space, that is a 7 space, as origin of 6 space. See that 7 space as 7 space content, D7 will manifest as 7 streams, and from each of the stream there will be flow of a transcendental content. 5 space content flow from each of the 7 streams. So we are having a flow of as many as 7 streams, 5 space content. These 5 space content, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, these are with their entry within 4 space, which is the origin of 3 space body or an earth, and this entry is from its eastern cosmic window, Pur 21. 21 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So along it there is a flow of a transcendental content. Now this transcendental content manifests when enters the 4 space, then it causes a visfort here, it is 29, that means Brahma. With it the 4 space domain splits into a pair of 4 space domains. This makes 30. It plays as such the role of a Surya. It becomes a Chit, a consciousness. And this Chit, because of 5 space as an center, causes vrittis, folds. There are Panchvritya. We will be coming to it, how the Yoga Darshan ultimately help us proceed further. But this 4 space is a Hirday, the heart, the fourth chakra of human body. So it is within fourth chakra this is happening. So fourth chakra, heart, H4, Brahma's domain, creator's domain, and it's split into a pair of four space domains and making it a chit, consciousness, and it also is Surya. These features, that means we will be having Chetana, consciousness, and these will be 7 states. There are 7 streams from Surya. There is a flow of 7 streams. From each stream there is a flow of 5 space content, so 7 states. So sadhakas fulfilled with intensity for it to be parallel with Vedic systems, to be parallel with the format of Vedic mathematics, science and technology, will see that these 7 states of consciousness are Jagrat Avastha, waking state, and this Jagrat word, when is translated, it gives us value 16, and this is equal to D6, so 6 space content. The first state is that 5 space content is leading to a 6 space content. It is this happening which makes the first state of consciousness. So first state of consciousness, how it is created within human mind, how these states are there. So see, we are having 6 space. Its origin is a 7 space. From these there are happening the flow of a transcendental content, and the first is resulting into that 5 space is leading to a 6 space. It is a Jagrat. This formulation is of TC value 16 and it is equal to D6. It is this which is the first state of consciousness. The second state of consciousness would mean the first has already been there and then second is following. We know pair of 5 space dimensions will create a 7 space. So the second is a Swapan. This formulation Swapan leads us to value 3, 8, 5 and 9. This is 25, 11, 16, 25. So we were initially at this stage and now we are reaching at this particular stage. If we are acquainted with that the printout of 3 space is a triangular form, and we know this triple is making a uniform form and area is 6. This leads us to 3, 4, 5 and 6. Summation value is 18. It is hypercube of 5. And transcendence ahead will be 7. It will be 25. So one shall sit comfortably and see as to how within heart the first state of consciousness at TC value 16 and is transiting into the second. swapan state and value is 25. Now when we will be proceeding ahead, then we know the next state is Sushapti. The TC value here is 26. Reach A lead to, and it is H7. Let us have a pause. See, here we were 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We were at a transcendence range with the format reach was 7. Here we are having a reach up till H7. It is hypercube 7 is a body of 7 space. The next state is a Turiya, and again TC value is 16. Let us have a pause. See how this is in a cyclic form reaching back to the starting point. Further, let us glimpse the formulation Shodash. Its simple rendering is 16. Our TC value is 26. Like that, we will be proceeding ahead. Before we proceed ahead, it would be blissful, it will be desirable that let us see how these consciousness states are sequentially having a transcendental reach within the heart. Heart, Hirde, is a formulation whose TC value is 21, and 21 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It is a Sthapatya Mapdand H1 to H6, and along this format is a flow of a transcendental content. It is this flow within the heart, and it is parallel with 8 directional frame format manifesting in 4 space in hypercube 4. Once this manifestation is there, and there is a flow from the Purv, this happening in the hypercube 4, this happening within the 4th chakra of a human body. This is the heart as 4th chakra of hypercube format, which manifests 8 directional frame, and there is a flow within from the cosmic window. It is the eastern cosmic window. These features deserve to be comprehended well to have an appreciation as to how within a Saur Mandal, within our solar universe, the human body, which is a Purusha, and this body is of TC value 24. We were at the Jagrit Avastha, which is of TC value 16. Now let us see as that the inflow of the transcendental content within the heart from its eastern cosmic window from Purv, and there has been an 8 directional frame. Now this 8 directional frame at the start with position is a flow from the eastern, and its reach is up till